I'm Heather with WTI. Do you have a ton of yard work to catch up on? Because I do. Come with me and check out the Sixseyaa Weed Eater. It's a battery operated power tool just in time for all the overgrowth that we're up against this spring. I particularly appreciated one part of this set. It's the power of the 8-inch circular saw blade. This attachment helped me muscle through the overgrown areas of my yard and tree line. Typically, I would be chopping this back all by hand and using a full afternoon or two in order to complete the task. It's annoying and backbreaking work, but it needs to be done, and it needs to be done often. With a fully charged battery, I was able to use this to complete the taming of the shrubbery, as well as use the string trimmer feature for some of the long grass around the house. Don't be that neighbor that leaves this stuff tall. It looks so much better afterwards. I appreciated the long battery life to trim down tall overgrown grasses, shrubs, and small branches. It really helped me to clean up this area and to do so in a much faster way. It never died on me at all, and my typical weed eater doesn't last that long in the battery life. I wasn't able to use the wheels, but because it's so lightweight, I could easily lift it up and over and use it in areas like this behind an old fence, and this made the work about a fourth of the time as it typically would take me. And then for areas like under the trampoline here, we have this turned to a different angle so that you can easily access under here as well. And it really expanded our reach for shrubs, trees, even the grass in hard to reach places. This tool made it easier, and that's my point of view.